Well, Yasaba, yeda Guy G, yeda Guy G, yeda akosi CRCP say ono so yet medisa komoe. E braso say beso mebo o ma yedi enkomo ampense mu bre no. Yeda okwa kopem say na nkono beba pa 1 minute eduonu enum. It's my pleasure to wish you the best. Ebra oye kremoni awudi eye edasron kokora ana afi so oye eja osu this edasron kokora. To all fathers, I wish you a happy Father's Day. The whole month is for us. Your money, the omo draw and omo the futu no more expand the food. Omo the pig, so omo pen even a draw. And that's how women they treat us. Until we are happy Father's Day to you. And to my very good friend, Honorable Kennedy Japan, and one Audi 64 years. Honorable Kennedy Japan, happy belated birthday to you. Now, a birthday now would and I didn't say baby so ever. So the MPP should watch the space. The MPP should watch the space for Honorable Kennedy Japan. In fact, another he spoke at the birthday uniting the MPP, the entire MPP supporters, and pledging his support for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Say obetimi akano ama omatimi ama munkunim dine ewie payo. In elections and in politics, a lot of surprises. So watch this space as we count down to the choice of a running mate for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So watch the space. Ma Mensan Kai also say the running mate for the NDC, Emami Jina na nanu fiada no make activity no. So even if it's a wedding or bekokrana, in the handless you have a problem because ever since you're outdoor no. And I think so much into etifi mantemonum. I'm so a campaign as you say or Basha campaign as I have seen an itinerary. That is very healthy because the former president cannot do all by himself. That's why he used a running mate. In the handlers of Jane, and I'm happy Momana taking that bold step. Ora and mem. I even understand that this week we'll share Mao is in next week and back where now onye out there. That's why the party believed in him through His Excellency the former president. A man that privileged opportunity, to partner His Excellency the former president to ensure the wrestle power, and they will be on the seat on the 7th of January 2025, God willing. So Professor, I know, say you have a Herculean task ahead of you. And as we count down to the 5 months, the role that you play, the activations that you make, it will be a supporting factor for our former president and your flag bearer to push, and push hard. And to the entire MPP supporters, Makabi, watch the space. The entire MPP supporters, let me wish Napo a happy Father's Day. A potential running mate for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a happy Father's Day. And let me wish Honorable Kennedy Japan a happy Father's Day and a belated birthday. These are two great personalities in the New Patriotic Party. Very great personalities. The MPP4, watch this space. Von Akwaba.
It's so many.
Chifu Atimo Kwa Borashibe Jweni, a friend of Von D. If you've just joined me here, Uboni D inquiry in Von D, the people's choice. Von D, the people's man. Von D, the grassroots person. Von D, was Ghana and NDC first. But see, Chusubak was Ghana and NDC first. But see, Chusubak was Ghana and NDC first. It was a Boroshorum. Von D, Aquaba. Oh, me Judy, oh,
no more Barker Salam.
Bajoso. Okay.
Barker Idio. Okay. I want Trifonia Macrum.
Okay.
I mean, we see me, I'm a chama Hakim Ade, Barker Idi. Alda Endra or Kumnimshika Krakabi.
Wow.
Emi ekori kakra woni fie abrante no nyamehira na behira no we cause roba for ma nyamehira na behira no ma menhia madam confidence yoursen menua prince ankra ene pra munyina ehweme ma me ma ndc fo ne mpp fo nyina watch for team kwa barkari idi ada and I wish all of you successful in the coming years. And may Allah and our own prophet and Commissioner Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam continue to protect and guide all of us throughout the season. And it is my wish that you all do well. Barakali.
Okay, Salah. So that's Von you didn't come away, Bray. Come here. Let's say, party we boko. Yes. I see Sebbaumia. Me was about me about sentiment. I saw the charisma of these two great personalities, Napo and Ken. No, me key. Oh, yeah. Who be down?
My life
was a borrowed crowd. I'm sorry.
What's the meaning of borrowed crowd?
It's the honorable Von Di Ka.
What's a borrowed crowd? You know it, and I also know it.
A borrowed crowd, you should be happy.
What's a borrowed crowd? So don't behave as if everything was rosary.
I say a borrowed. I say a borrowed crowd. Just lay your foundation based on that. A borrowed.
So the NDC.
I mean, how? Can you imagine? What's the way you were? Can you imagine?
I don't know who knows something. Hey,
this guy too feel like that.
Like he's shocked because we were made to believe say Ekos was something. Now you're about me, but you see, Badwam, you will not have any reason not to know. It's a fact. To me, I have a position about Dr. Badwam. But the moment you have an encounter with Dr. Badwam, you cannot have any reason not to like the man.
Okay, so Jinahama me minutes back, Obasa Edu Juma Udino. The necessary me kai ashefo nyina ne se Jumadi bi wo honom na non kono em se unim se game park non kono pepepe e de bebro but it's a spiced one. You be try a home minute back abasisi a ya bape then I tell you much about the entire and the game park a spiced one. Ya kwaba. Okay, so you're by the winner was Badwam on Adom TV. A free cyber copy it's a very relaxed version of the show because of your new by the close of the show. No, now Omonam no chia. Now I say blog no o ma spread bi o hanom e de amai nti meni menua ko bia de ya crowd before 9:25 twifu atimo kwa afo bitima EMS abre na etimi apye bi go ba so bobo alaji fo bi din alaji fo abo bobo di me ka chebo twifu atimo kwa me ka chiro ye ya nwibia e se mo wi sala ne eji mo hwe di se botimi di abre e se mo de ba me ya wi me se ampa ye wi alaji Collins Zauda misrel the pride of Ahafo, you know, Bomodiana also do something, you know, do something. Alaji do something. Timokanja Alaji Collins Zauda do something. You know, Rashid Pelponi, Arena Idrisu Muna, do something. Anybody say catch him? Buffer stock, Papa Hanan, do something. We know Yan Castle, Mukwa the Monomoya. Sara Canada da ana we abembem de nti mo fa ntu eni kwa me kasa ni birisa
o ma pe na mare
yembra ba ko ya
o mai mama chia minuanom krabofo me fanchi asoro nkonchie mu du enchia eni nkunimdie nenam ema the next president of the Republic of Ghana inshallah yem papa ya de nyina Ghana japade kese
John Dramani Mahama
yem papa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Only the next first lady, ye mami Samira Bawumia. Na menchia ye nuanom enkramofo a wo Ghana nyina me fiura aja. Onu ntina me nya ba bi di mechetu. Hajia ye friend Hajia India, Lady Aisha, mechia no enano pa na menchia me nua Farouk Ali Mahama.
Hey Farouk,
very great guy. Farouk dey say o me Farouk a hu say dey ote. He's a very great guy. Menchia Honorable Habib Honorable Amina Anta, Yenuanomo, members of parliament, or Menkramofo, national Nasara coordinator, Aziz Futa, or then Abedi actually for a year Abrim constituency, Muslimi Funina, Imam, Nena, and Abedi actually, Omunina, Memo, Barka de Sala, the Chelsea. Now, mine, that may cancel me actually say, Mefa Adom TV of the issue. Na me de aseda chinchinchi aseda emu duro aseda ye bokachire say ye de so akora wuntimi nsoa e ma asanteman
we asantini ana
me asantini pio me kwabri is
ntino wano e desa
na asa de body onye comfortable
that body we dey asada okay
aseda chinchinchi aseda bokachire asa afade
aseda PSC o ma me bomi mu ase e de ma Europe nso ye papa His Royal Majesty Otumfo say to Ababio. Me mano happy belated Father's Day. Me party penny for national chairman ne Yura Kodbiana na B Dr. China Omunina me mom happy belated Father's Day ne aja we are singing amoshe MPP penny for Yura Kufuado the president on na be the na the maker say me dey asedema Europe so ne asanteman ne say asanteman akire odom akire MPP any next president Yura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Amonsu machiro do acha santi mind here.
Mr. Ominia. Near
nchaka ke no kan
be the course no wunya time. Near course time na fi asemo fi ha. I am not surprised say honorable Fondi ne tohye no na ehu pobribrim atiese ne so no pa. What here no say e ka o mon kono no mu say Yewura Bawumia kwa santiman mu na ka niam akwa akwaji nsemu na niam ase na nko manya biaka. Ba ne course wa santiman mu no ubetimi anunu ho na wasere ubetimi akase crowd on yakose free baby the open all the can wo na ma me wu na so wada ya wa wasem man the reality on the ground and they say asantefo Ajiyeru Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia atum
na bi free ho no akoshe ho
asantefo Ajiyeru Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia atum open so Otumfo say to Ababi odi oye nana oyeja obi atimi kona so ye but wo kona so ye wunya akwanya na onya platform na nsem a wo de beka no sabi obi ono so na adwene mu abobio na Yewura Bawumia ahobrase mu e de nani so adi hunu e ma Ghana asanteman e kotoi ye papa ye nana otekokko so opim so anim na minim se asantenya je otumu wie te se Ghana je watum na ne course wa asanteman mu no ma me as an MPP deputy national communication director ama me Kenya na minim se ye party no nyina no all over the country because MPP ni bia hwe ne yekoso wa asanteman mu na ne yekoso wa asanteman Yewura Mahmoud Bawumia ensra eye na porobo na no woko no wa kom ya bebre near me baby no call when ya sa rousy welcome no baby okwe be agini tu mu bada santima mu de ne de me say eye chenchenche eye as the PSC na me gina MPP abusuaku kakraka ni nyina na mu na ye de ama ye na abusuafo ade hia ewo asantima mu say ye de o mase ye nuanum kaya yefo sa aniso adi hunu ne anwuma pa ye raba mu udba mu ya aya ma omo no kaya yefo demonstrate clearly say aba ye kwa kote 2024 no omo ankasa na be ye raba mu ya campaign amawo etu hwe edoma na abo edoma na Asia Dr. Mahmoud ba mu say bi susu pan e bi kokro pan.
Can you imagine? Are you really happy saying those things?
And Kaya Yefon, we are giving them a better life.
You are happy saying those things. Obi the
opportunity by pine or the mao. Obi the opportunity we sit down more monte ya papa mo de bebo mo bra no mabra boso abanfa so mo mabusu.
Can you imagine?
Minim say 2024. Enya ne ye better studio ha kan be say obi adwene. The reality is on the ground and I am so grateful and I'm happy to witness the course of Asanteman mu no. Me ne me party nyina ye ne Yura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne na busua. Ye dia se da PSC aseda chenchenche. Aseda ye bone kashire de so akura okom bebu ntimi so na de ma Asanteman. E titru ni Asanteman ura. Ye papa otumfo say tutu ababio. His Royal Majesty. Na mpanifo di djuma ye ura napo me bo abaso ye ura Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofumi ame wo fa ba ko pe. Committee I do fa to anu so wonhwe no so djuma die wo so di no. Offer yen excellently. MPP we have the men. And ye ura General Secretary Lawyer Justice Frimpong Kodua. Before say Yura Mahmoud Bawumia ni team ni be do Asanteman mu no kura no so akwa ye wo so ye bi one na big groundwork ni ade. And for some of us yenim say Asanteman eye MPP na MPP Asanteman. Na yenim say come December 2024 Asanteman will speak. O ma mind the case no. O ma chire pefe say o ma je Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ni so ade hunu na tum. E di hu atum krofo bi so even in the studio people are feeling uncomfortable. But the reality is that inshallah, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia is going to be the next president of the Republic of Ghana.
Yeah. So just a release from Asem Central Member of Parliament. The Asem Central Member of Parliament, Honorable K. Japan, has called on all members of the New Patriotic Party who supported his presidential bid in 2023 presidential primaries of the party to come together and throw their weight behind flag bearer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in order to help the MPP secure a third term running in office. Honorable Japan, many of the party supporters had approached him to contest the 2024 presidential elections as independent candidate. However, without mentioning words, the Asem Central Legislature told the people who had gathered for his birthday party that he had not resigned from the party. Neither would he go as independent candidate. He used the occasion to apologize for not informing his supporters across the 16 regions of Ghana, citing true party membership as one of his reasons. Honorable Kenjapo made it clear, unequivocally clear, that after party primaries, there are no supporters for the individual contestants, but if any supporters at all, they are for the entirety of the party and the flag bearer.
Great.
He asked the people gathered to support the party and Dr. Bawumia in the best interest of all party members. Honorable Kennedy Japan, also affectionately called Akompreku in political circles, said this on his birthday, Sunday, 16th of June, 2024. He called for unity among rank and file of the party, saying it will help them break the 8. So that's Von, I didn't just say.
No, me how? So what kind of people?
I
mean, so what kind of idea?
He's feeling uncomfortable,
very uncomfortable. I it's clear.
You see,
what would make him feel uncomfortable?
Oh my, topic with the sending me no, and they say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say the campaign should be on ideas, but not on insult. And vilifications and so forth and so on. And no pay no working kind idea a couple Kenya Japan they are betuja. And this is a very good situations that you can marry the two and commenting on. See you be the home come. And so I'm a quite idea. My mention your president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. ene nana Professor Opoku Agyeman wa ben no wa badai no nim de Ghana ese fatasi yema Ghana maminchia ankrofo mioni His Excellency John Dramani Mahama answer no be president no he was a big brother to me and that man I know who he is. In fact, he is one man you can trust. Oka say A, oka B, B. John Dramani Mahama, you are our next president, and we all know that you are the only person that can carry this country to the next level. Everybody know that. Thank you very much for giving yourself out to work for Mother Ghana. Medasi bebre nyamenka ho. Menua. Asembia Kennedy akompraku a Japan honorable akaye de bia me dwene ho atom akoma so ne se na me se papa no ka no kre ene se Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia was shouting everywhere that when the fundamentals are weak the exchange rate will expose you. Menua Kennedy akompra kwa Japan osanso ka pefe se MPP mpanifo wia Ghana sika tse de ochena ni ho no mu wia so de ene ya ne so mu fasika no nto man no matam sika na akoto abrochire Kennedy akompra kwa Japan se ebra na Mahamudu Bawumia eye dede eye lectures awo central investing in the keka ho nyina no na cedi no aye 4 Ghana cedis to $1 and na me no ka say no cedi no aye 16 Ghana cedis to $1 Canada compare kwa Japan say si MPP for nim na so mo de to me no ma Mahamudu Bawumia there is no other option than to go to opposition. Asem na Canada compare kwa Japan aka no menene ya 100%. Nukretro do e wo mo ni say wo kosro ba for mo a MPP ebe call opposition. You see, and let me talk to the young men and women of Ghanaians. Listen, your destiny is in your own hands. Matiti nsem bebre a MPP for epese G even running mate na esefata obi no e de come before fro adanya anya so obeyi wo moto. Listen to me. Mo akọ register aye voter transfer ani de akeka ho nyina. De yan se mo pedwuma ayo. De yan se mo da chi besi mo yie. Mahamudu Bawumia ba ye no. Recorder o si yan ne se. O si ye kasa ye ma record eni se. Ono na breso no. Banks a wo Ghana he nyina no aye adwuma no. Ya monso monya adwuma ne be wi ono. Mahamudu Bawumia ni idea eni se. Yengu banks ne nyina. Banka enka. Yedi 9 billion Ghana cedi shemu a. A big jina na monso moanya adwuma ne bia. You see, these matters are emotional matters to me. Because you see, you can't live, you can't survive with that job. And it is important for all of us to realize that it is the responsibility of the government that you first signed a social social contract with is to provide job and make your life better. We go adwuma ni nyina me ne woka say enne hwe glovos adan a omokọ pen baby aye pen ayede wo go adwuma ni nyina banks ni nyina yegu no na kiye 9 billion Ghana cedi ahyem na nkai gina na mo nyina manya adwuma ayo Bawumia gu banks ni nyina ena me ne woka say hwe wo me di 28 billion Ghana cedis ne gu banks ni nyina me ne mo ka say Bawumia ena ye the chairman of the economic management team. Sesia no abeye the chairman of economic mismanagement team. Hwe dia aba sese ni se wo ma bobosia menne no Ghana ye kwama no ni ko bobosia kra bosia ye bo no ma lucky door no omo si ye omo mo ye bosia bio adenya ebira na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wa ben mu no besi a wo boy a little over 50 billion Ghana cedi no anu na mu ahu kejetia otumfo say tutu me bo din a na mabu mu in fact we ye nyina hene ye nyina no ye nanane o wukuro mu Asante man hu kejetia marketer His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Udoba and we'll see Akufo Addo ba ye wajibu over 700 billion Jesus sika no ya na me bisase ba wo mia mudi good at the same na hwe nso gusu nuare ana mudi ye dan because me ka say ebra na John Dramani Mahama wo sisi hospitals no ebra na John Mahama wo sisi schools no ebra na John Mahama yes
you're a member of parliament.
Yes.
So I am very worried. So,
and that is why I am so worried and I'm so devastated because I'm a member of parliament.
Babusia do doona no. Onyame adoma famra shibedwem ansa na e.
Yes, so we no nipa mabo hu yan mabo. You see, you must all understand say.
Let's establish.
Long bebre aba parliamentar NDC. Ya ka say enkan hu hia emfanti ho ne say. Ba kuni dia ye be ma tax exemption over $300 million. Ye wia ye ma tax exemption na afa ye kope bosia $150 million. Abe yes ye the prepare Ghana.
We have seen a different
hold on, I am only giving you an example. Listen. Yan NDC for nyina sorry tia ye. But let us not forget say MPP former Ashebetwa for no almost near with one vote. And so you can do all the noise. You can make all the noise as member of parliament. But you see, the MPP number will always triumph.
Are you saying that?
Are you saying that? Ghana.
Are you saying that? Oh, Debbie.
But that is the truth. Jesus. See, allow me to speak the truth the way it is.
No. Obiara ni ho obesi ukwan sa ade a wo ka no sa na tia ye be ma na te se atwetwe aso kakra na se enya ade a
no kra mo den atwetwe aso sa na tia
no kra ne se wo mra shebedwe
ai
o say
a proud member of parliament at that.
Even if you are not, I am proud of you.
I know.
I know. But I'm saying that once you represent my interest, say obi de bia da mo number difference of 1. This is a hang parliament and for number crash na ejuba. Debia dan say obi ba beje bosia na ofo aso na obeje bosia na ofo aso na ade ese se ode bosia ne koye no onfa anya ade na ba obeka kire ye to aba ma ode na ka kire me man say ombeji because number the doors ombeji number doors ombeji number doors sa na mutim so sa na moje kosa is that what is happening there?
You see, Ghana hano you're running executive presidency Anna.
Okay, so mamenko breaking bra.
Breaking no koba the time on so ya.
Debi unina ya. Running executive presidency to break the bar.
Na matwa so. Me da se.
Ye kwaba.
Me da se. We no be kaso an kaso bi afata ni nyina.
Well, yada masiasaba, yada game park for us be better than meka on say ankoye anopa ebeye wianya wianso a ebeye enwumre enti ade nsan enkobonya besobo. Mamenchia Frank Kofi Che Asempa. Hey, Charlie. Me now voice of if we dey o Frank Kofi Che another Kobna Che Asempa. Hi. And oh yeah, eat too much.
Or dread.
So for Israel me chiao. Na machia camera for mo do omonya honum ko kanopai. Me ka bibia say nkemofo dey ni mato so mo cha asembisi wa. We see the boys will be a journey yematoa a year fasting to waiting for increment for that. Yow, my child camera. And I feel back one more a year a children make up for so much. May cast the most independent. None and Crawford. None and Crawford, Nipandos. You go for Scotty, you have go for Chelsea, MC Bawa was there. You know, be who are. Oh, my one got a book. Oh, Bovache is the relaxed version of Badwam on Adom TV. Bovache. Back to Vondi. Vondi.
Medase oh, my woman. Ayo maya. I see a seriousness na bo man. Said dear MPP for your man. Say yan she ye na mmabu no musan so di oman akɔhye wɔ mo nsɛm a ade yɛ nyina afɛ no ɛbɛyɛ time menua but Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wa magana fo nyina advice a ɛfɛ na ɛmo hwam or say this election must be premised on ideas but you see ideas never and yeah who is behind the idea and what is the track record of the person behind the idea Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo ideas ni bi ne san wo idea na wo de bra ye 2016 ebeto abane say we don't need to borrow money and that we should only toll our roads ni ebenye sika de aye yakwan nyina wo ba be vice president Ghana for the 2 minute share mo nsa no de wo ye ne say wo ye Ghana for 419 frakadam ana wo yi sa idea ni free ho so me ye toll road ana wo ko bob over 700 billion. That is the person who is talking about an idea.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Inti wa hwe wo idea na wo de ba ye no. Ene de wo ye to so mie no. Wona wo tena UTV kan say friends say Peace FM kan say to bottom tax ye friend E11 no. One year poor. One year any sika no. Wo na ye E11. Enti ansese ye ji obia E11. Enti wo ba E11 de ye nyi obia wo ba ye no. As chairman of the economic management team dia wo chichiri ma Ghana for ne say wo di E11 beto won so me say election way idea but let's look at who is behind the idea and what is the track record of the person. Is the person a trickster or a truth teller? Nukre woman say when I wo ka kire Ghana for say when ye ko IMF no aye lazy. John Dramani Mahama ko IMF wo so ye lazy na mon ko IMF ne mon ko IMF o china ye ba ye IMF aya baby amokoji Bosnian ba na mo abaye kenke party me ne mo ka say IMF ho na mo de o ma bo Bosnian ma se wiase nyina se Bosnian ye mo biom. Yes, it is an idea and ye ka ho asem menua idea ben na wo de bre Ghana fo e de na wo ye fa idea no ho ene wo sanse kwa idea yi so nye frakadam na wo de ye Ghana fo yi wo na wo ka kire Ghana fo se mumu ye ma wo kwan na wo ba wo mia mo ba ben mu a what na Bank of Ghana why ye djuma wo ache na wonim se Ghana fo sika egu Bank of Ghana no ye di a ensanda anti ansesi ye bobosia wo na wo ka kire Ghana fo se ayetrimodin internet on Dramani Mahama one must dollar to cedi no ayet 3.9 to $1 na se wo ba $1 1 cedi $1 1 cedi ene mo aboso kan so ame magazine mutie me mo amko fa nuama wa mono ne ba bra na to Mahama wo ho no ya na Bawumia bona da pa so onim nyansa wonim hwe no ye incompetent no sa word ni nya Bawumia committee bi da no bre no na John Mahama dollar no na ye 3.9 Ghana ene Bawumia a wonim nyansa ye wiase nyina ye ne dia no ene mo ko fa nuama $100,000 muhia over 16 billion no matumi akofa nuoma na aba dia worker idea no mumisa say who is the one proposing the idea beautiful idea na one na shasa idea na echi ni suni ni ban te san oh Bawumia ene wo ba ya hwe ahobrase mi ani die so Ghana fo nyansa yanto yesua onim one every north abesoa nuoma kaya ye wo Ghana ay nkran krom ni Kumase no Bawumia ankadwene wo ho ne se wo babue one district one factory ni bi wo north na wan kasa wo krom wale wo bue bi wo ho na mabu na wo ho anya dwuma ni bi ayo wo ho na momana no wa ba si hostel se one free north wo megu abebre no omunya kwa enhia kaya no mo Bawumia de na wo yesa menua etutura sem e wo MPP mu no eya broso na no me hwe video bi mi banya me pa ese enya nokre NDC fo a eye communicators e was studio eye program wo wale ama NDC ni no campaign ati Bawumia ama ne nkrofo abeti boy na bro no was studio ama
NDC fo o chantro
menua
me send video na ma so
ensam trofo muna bisuma mu papa na muntie Canada Japan na advice or my and Monfa or say MPP, we lost the election in 2022. I'll see, we lost the election in 2022. And intino, Samufa Bawumia, Ghana for Betchinamo said Bawumiano, only she when it's more the Bemamo.
Okay, so.
And then I'm right on Dramani Mahama and Chinese Namun to Abano match on Dramani Mahama. Okay. That's on Dramani Mahama, and Majumambu or Ghana. Namu Pesamudi a dear great. Michimunti Ghana, look, I trust you guys. I trust you so well. I beg you, I trust you. Vote for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and vote for all the NDC MPs
seriously,
that are standing. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let me call
and I will not be happy. The question woman say,
I got 2 minutes.
You better
my head time.
You try now, you respect your mom. Honorable Vondi, you are a member of parliament. Your colleagues, members of parliament, are on record. And I want to say it here on record. I've done another Danko Kufuadis, I say. Richard Defiama Ponomne, the likes of NDC MPs, a number of them, a good number of them. You need to come on. Almost that President Kufuado, as I said, now Breso as president. Projects are here to say a woman constituencies are all. Projects are here to say a bunkama faso a woman constituency. So if we are a member of parliament, now say one to me and your projects need be there, then I was our constituency need to questions. Because our colleagues MPs that president near Binance. It is schools that I would do a yes, no. I am sabi I would do a yes, no. Court where I would do a yes, no. Ambulance are here to
very nice.
They also wear propaganda. They also wear nyebia. Now,
very nice. Propaganda.
How can he be including a bad account of yourself? That is not fair. Who render a bad account of yourself?
Absolutely wrong.
As a member of parliament, you can hold your time.
You cannot even tolerate. You cannot sit here. It is not fair.
You've been given more than 50 minutes to speak. Mr. Tisa, it is not fair. I am just saying, I am referring you.
Those are pure lies.
As a member of parliament, you have a responsibility towards your people. People have voted you into office. You are going to colleagues, members of parliament.
And you know it's a pure lie.
You are a journalist. Please.
Oh no, he's lying. So he's using this platform. See, he's talking to people about Kasacha constituency. About
you accept your discrediting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I didn't know that I work. Who can throw a good Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
Let's not reduce the conversation.
I was not happy, but I have to be tolerant. Political tolerance.
You see, you must run.
Emotional intelligence, political communication.
Emotional intelligence and propaganda is part of communication. Go ahead. Thank you.
The American say, the American say, I was a seasoned journalist.
Yeah,
I have a great deal
I just want to respect our viewers.
I will never and ever, and he knows me. Me trying platforms in chat at all. And in any case, I'm not even responding to you. I am speaking to the cherished viewers of Adom TV this morning. And you, the American children, they say your colleagues, members of parliament, are belonging to your minority party, NDC. I will provide their on record. Maybe you can dispute it.
But you know it's a lie.
It is a lie. President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ni yewura Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia abayase.
You can't say this in a get away with it. Because you know it's a lie. So don't say it and get away with it. No, but tell him to tell me.
I will accept this. No, please.
How can you come up here and be lying and I sit here and walk away just like that? It's wrong.
Please don't do that.
It's wrong.
You must.
Very nice. Member of parliament. You can't be lying about it. And I see
please don't do that. I have a great respect for you. You sat here and you depend Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia in any way.
What are you saying?
But the person says you try to
you see that is the problem of
the
MPP.
We constituency show. Now you are rendering a bad account as a member of parliament for constituency. Say what you say secretary court so the ana make you arguing about say wow colleagues MPs you come here abeda aban asede that PCA amana na dan kwane Bawumia say omo abresu project say we constituency that they made this statement during the internal elections and NDC parliamentary primary
so him say and
omo kan ye yantro Roxin Defia Maponya nyam kan on e be kan ye enu kodan cheminua see who is talking. Our Kasatra Ghana Mabum. NDC in a single policy under their incompetence Mahama's administration. And transforming the lives of Ghanaian youth. If for nothing at all. Yet when Ghana former boom complaining per a juma. As a political leader, you must be responsible. What was the response? At that time, your employment minister, Ebe Katira Ghana for Eshe Yenim Katira Yenko Chasre, and Kwasi Sabu Migu Kwahona Yenton.
Now, please, that was the source of employment. Sorry. Your reviewers now disrespect you. Okay, so you got more than 20 minutes. You keep interjecting.
NDC MP in South Dai, Honorable Roxanne Nelson Dafiao, praises the Kufuado and Baumia MPP's efforts in providing essential projects in their community.
This is NDC MP talking. This is want to that means you are not serving your people well. And I must be frank with you. You see,
so Mama respond. Let me finish my point. Let me respond. Because you can't lie and get away with it.
Thank you, Omani, for confirming my statement. I mentioned Roxanne's name and you have confirmed it. Thank you so much. It's not a pair wasem. You find him controlling chain. Yet you chrome. So,
we are in crowd and paso. No, be disasa what is saying. It is nice in Ghanaian parlance. It doesn't mean I want you now. So if the piano parker say, at least we thank I don't say Bawumiani Akufa. I confirm I him for Akufa. I get worried about this thing. I then I want you share my because if you come down, you allow the MPP to lie. If you come down, you allow the MPP to lie.
I'm not happy.
How do you come down and allow MPP to lie?
You know I can do worse than this. I'm only respecting the viewers.
God.
He's not respecting the viewers. I am respecting them.
But you come down and allow the MPP to lie and get away with it. What's me? I sit here.
Me making statement. I know my disprove with your kind now. But we are confirming, we are reading the story right now. Please, I didn't tell you, we are communicating to people. What you say? Comport yourself, please. The American say, Ghana for Ghana for what you trouble, over to we see, and companies you yet the Roman Yura Mahama. Ebeka Unilever, Asem Unilever for Badwam Trebeka say statement now on my penny that I have falsehood. And you know, they are Pepsodent brand, they are still producing it here in Ghana. But you sat here and you lie. Yet the Chroma. So she has said general. Mubeka said, the banking sector clean up. So you're NDC communicator. Now Ghana for now the Ghana Phonia. You will not even talk about it. The decision MPP took, they protecting over 3 million depositors. And here for him, almost 7 Omo manimu fifra nanka omusika omu dwetire omu deposit ebe siegu keke nia mo ye banking sector clean up no se ya kase ye di ho nkomo na ade be san wo se na ebe ko campaign platform so ye be kasa kire Ghana for but me person me expose some of the lies any dishonorable statement I will make here and some fatal me nua no
anyone me can't draw anyone can't draw
we are gone.
Go and check.